Hello traders. Today we are discussing the CWRV Trading Strategy, which stands for Correlation Weighted Relative Value. This is a quantitative approach used to identify trading opportunities based on correlation analysis. At this point, I'll walk through some examples so you can see how correlation and relative value concepts apply in practice. How does the strategy work? The CWRV strategy begins with selecting assets that have historically shown strong correlations, such as certain equity pairs, currency crosses, or commodities. Example can be EUR/USD and GBP/USD. When the prices of these correlated assets temporarily diverge, the strategy looks to buy the undervalued assets and sell the overvalued one, anticipating that prices will converge back towards their historical relationship. This is known as a mean reversion approach. What are the key components? The strategy involves calculating historical correlation coefficients to compare meaningful relationships between assets, performing relative value assessments to compare current market prices against fair values, sizing positions based on risk tolerance and correlation strength, and continuously monitoring and adjusting trades as market conditions evolve. That's what who is for. The CWRV strategy is primarily used by hedge funds, institutional traders, and quantitative analysts due to its complexity and reliance on statistical tools and reliable data sources. It is not recommended for beginners. Limitations include the assumption that historical correlations will hold, which is not always the case. Market disruptions can cause correlations to break down, and the strategy requires significant analytical resources. For the full breakdown and description, the link is in the description below on the Forex Geek. Subscribe and hit the bell for more.